Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to add dual clock widget on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So as a first step, we will need to hold our finger on any empty place on your home screen, and here on this menu, click on this button widgets. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named clock. Then scroll down again and choose this widget which is named dual clock. Click on it and click add. And here is it. Now we can click on any empty place again to save the widget. And now let me show you how to edit cities. For that, we would need to click on one of these cards. And here you'd be able to see the map, but we can click on the search bar to type in any city. So for example, let's choose Seoul. Click on it and then confirm the change by clicking on this button change. And then as you can see, I have successfully switched the city from London to Seoul. This is especially useful if you are traveling a lot and you would like to see the time for your current country and your home country. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.